Excellencies, I am honored to be here. My island has been finding peace with nature since our independence in 1978, and more recently after Hurricane Maria destroyed 226% of our GDP overnight in 2017. We are for sure the island of biodiversity and understand the importance of its protection. It is important to us because it supports our economy, social and environmental resilience. As an island gifted to us by my ancestors, the indigenous Kalinago people, we rely heavily on our natural resources for tourism, fishing, and agriculture. All of these depends on healthy ecosystems. Dominica has strategies and policies to protect biodiversity. We have established national parks, reserves, and protected areas. We are protecting rainforests, rivers, waterfalls, and our unique geothermal features. Dominica has marine reserves to protect coral reefs, seagrasses, and coastal marine life. Fishing regulations and no-take zones are enforced to prevent overfishing and preserve marine biodiversity. We have passed environmental laws, including the National Parks and Protected Area Act, the Forestry Act, and the Fisheries Regulations. These laws regulate activities like hunting, fishing, and deforestation, and help protect ecosystems and endangered species. Local communities work with environmental organizations to protect natural resources, engaging in activities like ecotourism, which promotes sustainability and awareness. Dominica promotes ecotourism, emphasizing low-impact activities like hiking, birdwatching, and snorkeling. This approach minimizes environmental degradation while creating incentives to conserve the natural environment. We are implementing climate-resilient measures, including reforestation, watershed management, and sustainable agricultural practices to help ecosystems recover after extreme weather events. These combined efforts help Dominica's biodiversity and ensures that its ecosystems remain resilient for future generations. It is clear to us that the biodiversity of our island helps maintain coral reefs, mangroves, and coastal habitats. These have continued to protect us against storm surges, erosion, and sea level rises. These are key defenses against climate change impacts. We join the rest of Mother Earth in protecting our ecosystems to preserve water quality, support food security, and sustain local cultures and traditional practices that depend on native species. I salute other seeds, local communities, and indigenous peoples who continue to protect nature, which is the foundation of the sustainable livelihoods and resilience of humanity. Let us all commit to live in tune with nature. Thank you.